Hey, welcome to the 6.8 liter laptop. This is Laptop Guy, and I'm starting out first today. I'm going to give you little details on what the project we're doing is. On the 6.8 liter store, we have several drawings, as well as products, hats, things, various prices. Most of the drawings, $3, $4, $5. Today we're doing this ornament cut file. So you download that from the store, and you will end up with a zip file, this zip file. And inside there's a DXF, so you could cut it directly without any editing. PNG is just a picture. SVG is what you really want. The license and an example ornament picture, more pictures, but what you really want is this SVG. So I'm going to drag this to the desktop and copy it there, and then right click on it. Maybe right click on it, open with Inkscape. So there's the ornament, unedited, and the only thing you have to do is add the name that you would like on it and save it as a DXF, and you're good to go. So let's put a name on this thing. What's a good name? How about Joe? Okay, so you get your text. This is 1-inch text. It's probably could be bigger than that, but let's see what it looks like. Grab Joe and stick him on here. I usually just do the vertical placement by eyeball, but then you can center everything by arranging it, and you're good to go. You could save this. And first of all, you'd want to combine these, but the biggest problem with that is, let's do it. So select these, so both the text and the drawing are selected. Path difference, so now we have a single path that has the name cut out in the middle. But the problem with that is you would have just a circle where the O is, because it wouldn't keep the center of the O. It needs to be bridged. So what I like to do on that is click the node tool, and it shows all the nodes. And then I add a couple of nodes. Add a couple of nodes on the lower circle. And then I won't need these middle nodes anymore, so I'll highlight them and delete them. And then I'll highlight these two. Control Z is your friend. Highlight these two, and I'm going to get rid of the segment between them, which is this button here. And I'm going to do the same thing with these two. Get rid of the segment between them. And then a similar operation. Highlight those two and add a segment between them. And we'll do the same thing on this side. Add a segment between them, and you can play with it from there. We can soften this curve, this corner, by clicking this guy. Same thing here. Make it look like it was more natural, or an actual the way the font might actually look. And there you go. So now we've bridged the text. And if we zoom out a bit, we can take this, save it as a DXF, import it into the Arcdroid, and cut it out. It'll work every time. If I was doing this for real, I might make this, like I said, the font a little bigger. This was 1 inch, maybe 1.5 inch. But anyway, that's the operation. That's how you do it. And let's go out in the garage and see what we're going to actually cut out. Here comes the sparks. Alright, welcome to 6.8 liter garage. Hopefully Laptop Guy filled you in on the project we're doing. I know it's only October, but we're doing some Christmas stuff. My wife and I are going to go visit some friends, and they requested some of the Christmas ornaments that I made last year. So that's what we're cutting out today, as you saw. And it's really simple. You can download them from the 6.8 liter store. easy to add the words as laptop guy showed, and we'll cut them out. So we're gonna cut out 3 ornaments today, and let's get them loaded up and see how it turns out.
Just happened. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month 'cause they want presents in sight. This year had me so mad, I've been bad, got coal that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then I became a man, lost sight of who I am, but right in front of me was the answer. 'Cause on Christmas I feel joy, and I turn back to a boy. The answer is to stay young forever. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song.
Alright, so those should be cool now. Bill. They came out pretty good. I think they came out pretty good. Ends look locked in. This is 18 gauge material that I cut these out of, and I have a 0.8 tip, 55 psi, and 27 amps on the prime weld cut 60, but I think they came out pretty good. I'll touch them up with the grinder. I don't have to paint these, they're going to do that themselves, but they wanted me to cut them out some ornaments, so I'll go ahead and hit them with the grinder, shine them up a bit, and they'll be done. We'll be done with this part. Okay, so the ornaments came out pretty well. I'm going to hit them with the grinder real quick and clean them up. Shout out to my buddy of Fab Life down under. He's showed some concern for my health by not wearing, I haven't been wearing a respirator, so I picked up this inside the welding mask style respirator. I wore it during the cut, and I'm going to wear it during this, but the good and the bad of that is I won't be able to talk while I'm working, so better get this thing fired up and get it cleaned up, and we'll see how it comes out.
When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then I became a man, lost sight of who I am. But right in front of me was the answer. 'Cause on Christmas I feel joy, and I turn back to a boy. The answer is to stay young forever. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song.
Alright, those cleaned up pretty nice. I hit them with a grinder to take whatever dross off, and then I ran a more of a sander for the final polish. Our friends are going to go ahead and paint these themselves, so I just wanted to get them cleaned up, and there you go. Okay, it's a pretty quick video today. Just made 3 more Christmas ornaments for our friends, John, Bill, and Max. And laptop guy, hopefully it wasn't too boring. Should have showed you how easy it is to go to the 6.8 liter store. You can download that the cut files for these ornaments, and then very simply add your own names to customize them, and save them as DXF, import them into the Arcdroid, and cut them out. Anybody can do it. If you want to go to the 6.8 liter store, here's the QR code. You click on that with your phone, it will take you right to the store, and you can buy and download drawings there. You can get a hat like this if you want to. Anyway, pretty short video. Hopefully somebody got something out of it, and sorry to torture you with Christmas in October, but I mean, it's no worse than the stores, I guess, huh? Alright, thanks for watching.